Hey, my name is T.C. Reynolds, and I'm one of the partners here at the Stratton and Reynolds Law Firm. A big question we get from people is what assets are included in the probate process? And so basically the answer is everything that didn't pass automatically at a person's death. You see, probate is really just the process of retitling assets that are in a deceased person's name into their heirs' names. So some assets that typically do go through the probate process include real estate that is owned as tenants in common with someone else. So if you and your spouse own real estate, but it doesn't actually say on the deed that it's joint with right of survivorship, their half of the house has to go through probate. Any cars that are just held in one person's name have to go through probate. And any accounts that did not automatically pass through a transfer on death, payable on death, or beneficiary designation and end up having to go into the estate, those also have to go through probate. This can be a lot of assets, and it can be really confusing to figure out which ones do have to go through that and which ones don't. In addition, one thing a lot of people don't know is that assets that go through probate are subject to creditors' claims. These include final medical bills and any sort of debts the deceased person may have had. If you'd like more information, we just wrote a book called The Top 10 Mistakes Personal Representatives Make, in which we describe some of the common mistakes that people make while administering estates. We also talk a little more about the probate process, and we let you know how you can make sure you don't make any mistakes that could cause you to be personally liable to other heirs of the estate. We'd be happy to send you a free copy of this book, or to set an appointment with one of our attorneys if you want to go ahead and sit down and talk about your situation. You can do that by giving us a call at the office, 803-358-7214, or by filling out the form here on the website.